going to dinner anytime soon. I've already changed my look. I'm wearing this really nice pink set. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen this outfit. I got it in Saudi Arabia as well. Hi guys, so we just finished dinner and now we are going back. Hi loves, so we're pretty much back now and I will be heading up very soon to take a shower and unwind. But yeah, dinner was very nice, so I'm very happy. We got to spend time with family friends as well. We bumped into them earlier today actually. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Bye. So it's officially our last day in Jeddah and I'm wearing my final look. I've posted on Instagram already, so those of you following me would have already seen this. So today we'll be going to the Red Sea Mall and spending some time at the beach. So definitely looking forward to that, and right now I'm ready for breakfast. So we are now at the Red Sea Mall. Hi guys, so we finished shopping and now we are getting crepes. We finished going to the mall and now we'll be heading to the beach soon. I'm dressed up already. This look can be found on my Instagram reels, my outfit reels. We're going to take the golf cart to the beach. Yeah.